Bonjour, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we studied the indefinite articles in French, un, des. Today we'll be studying the definite articles in French, le, la, l'apostrophe and les. So what are definite articles? Definite article is a grammatical term used for specific things and comes before a noun. We have one definite article in English and that's the. Let's see a few examples. The girl is swimming. The boy is wearing a red jacket. There is a book on the table. We have four definite articles in French: le, la, l'apostrophe and les. So why do we have four? We have four because earlier also we discussed that in French we have masculine words and feminine words, and you will use your indefinite article and definite article according to the gender. So we will use le for masculine words, la for feminine words, l'apostrophe for masculine and feminine words starting with a vowel and h mute, and les for masculine and feminine plural words, and all of them mean the. Okay, so in English we say the boy, the girl, the man, the women, but in French we'll say le garçon, la fille, l'homme, les femmes. Let's see a few examples of les and l'apostrophe. Now this is the safest because even if you forget your gender, you'll be safe because you have to use either l'apostrophe or les. Okay, so l'étudiant, and with girl student is with an e, l'étudiante. Okay, l'homme, the man, les chaises, the chairs which are feminine, l'horloge, the clock, les livres, the books, l'ami, the friend, ami with an e will be the girlfriend, les sacs, the bags, les cahiers, the notebooks, and we have a one plural country, les États-Unis, the United States. Let's see masculine and feminine words where you have to use le and la. For masculine words we'll be using le, and for feminine words we'll be using la. Le livre, le cahier, le garçon, le crayon, le sac. Feminine words: la gant, la calculatrice, la mère, la porte, la femme, la télévision. Now countries in now as discussed earlier, we may not use indefinite or definite articles in English, but it is mandatory to use them in French. Like we'll say hi friends, but in French we would say salut les amis, which literally means hi the friends. Okay, even for indefinite articles, Tia eats pasta, we'll say Tia mange des pâtes. I like to read books, j'aime lire des livres. It is omitted in our English, but when we write in French, we have to write with either definite or indefinite article. Now, do you know that the countries in French also have gender? We have masculine countries and feminine countries. Let's see the masculine countries: l'Afghanistan, le Brazil, le Canada, le Chile, le Denmark, le Japon. Feminine countries: l'Allemagne is Germany, l'Algérie, Algeria, l'Angleterre, England, la Belgique, Belgium, la Chine, China, l'Espagne, totally different, Spain. You can see the second, third, fourth letters, SPA, that can remind you of Spain. L'Espagne, Spain, la France, l'Inde, India, l'Italie, Italy. La Russie, Russia. La Suisse, Switzerland. Totally different. With that, we come to the end of this session. Please like and subscribe to get more content like this. See you soon. Au revoir.